Hi guys, and welcome back to the Flat Media channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to edit photos in Filmora 11. Make sure to watch the video until the end to learn how to do this the right way. Before we start the video, make sure to absolutely destroy the like and subscribe buttons, as well go in the comment section and start typing. Whatever you like, just comment something. Okay, now go in the description and get your Elements Envato subscription, and download Filmora 11 from my link down there in the description. Let's now start. This is the photo we are going to be editing. Let's drag and drop it to the timeline, crop to fit. Now let's make a duplicate of the photo and double click on the one on top. Let's create a circle mask. Now add the default text here, type something. Let's lock the first layer and find a cool font. Let's duplicate the text and move it down. Now unlock the masked photo and let's increase the blur strength. This already looks dope, but we'll try some other effects as well. To export the final result of the photo, just take a snapshot. And to find the snapshot, go in Documents, then in Wondershare, and in the folder Snapshot you will find it. As you can see, you can use Filmora for photo editing as well. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel if you appreciate our effort. We post from Monday to Friday, every week.